Today we are going to demonstrate the simple art of how to make a fart sound with a straw. This allows you to be unobtrusively rude pretty much anywhere you choose, whether it be the schoolroom, the lunchroom, or even, dare I say it, church. Would you like to demonstrate, young man? How about we start with one, you put it in the sweet spot under your arm where it gets just a little wet, where you would put deodorant, and what happens when you blow into the straw? Care to demonstrate? Let's see. Oh, now that was, okay, that was one, and two. This is the most useful skill I have learned in many, many years, and we thought it was very worth sharing it with all of you on YouTube. Thank you very much, young man, for this display of proper fart box etiquette. Yes, we have found a fart box that no one can ever take away. Bye-bye.